One sunny day in the heart of a peaceful forest, animals of all kinds gathered for a big event, the race between rabbit and tortoise. Rabbit, known for his speed, bragged loudly to the other animals. "I'm the fastest in the forest, and no one can beat me," he said with a confident smirk, hopping around the crowd. Tortoise, standing nearby, listened quietly but with a calm expression on his face. Tired of Rabbit's bragging, the animals suggested a race between Rabbit and Tortoise to settle the matter once and for all. Rabbit laughed loudly. "A race against Tortoise? That's too easy." But Tortoise accepted the challenge without hesitation. "We will see who wins," he said quietly, surprising the crowd. The animals led Rabbit and Tortoise to the starting line. There was excitement in the air as the crowd gathered to watch. Rabbit stretched, ready to bolt ahead, while Tortoise stood still, focused and prepared for the long journey ahead. "Ready, set, go," shouted the animals, and with that, the race began. Rabbit shot off like a flash, quickly disappearing down the path. "This race is as good as mine," he thought as he zoomed through the trees. Meanwhile, Tortoise started moving slowly but surely, taking steady steps along the race course without worrying about the speed of his competitor. As Rabbit raced ahead, he decided to glance back. Seeing that Tortoise was far behind, he smirked to himself. "I've got plenty of time to rest," Rabbit thought. He spotted a large tree with plenty of shade and decided to take a nap before finishing the race. "Tortoise will never catch up," he said, lying down for a quick nap. While Rabbit napped, Tortoise kept moving forward with his steady, determined pace. One step at a time, he continued along the path, never speeding up or slowing down. The animals watching the race were amazed by Tortoise's focus and perseverance. Time passed, and Tortoise quietly caught up to where Rabbit was sleeping. Without stopping, Tortoise continued his steady pace, inching past Rabbit, who was still sound asleep under the tree. The animals watching grew excited as they saw Tortoise move closer to the finish line. Eventually, Rabbit woke up, stretching and yawning. He was shocked to see that Tortoise had gone ahead and was much closer to the finish line. "No way!" Rabbit exclaimed, panicking. He jumped up and sprinted off, determined to win the race before Tortoise crossed the finish line. Rabbit ran as fast as his legs could carry him, but it wasn't enough. Tortoise, with his slow and steady pace, crossed the finish line just as Rabbit got close. The animals erupted in cheers and clapped for Tortoise's victory. Rabbit stopped in disbelief, realizing he had lost. The forest animals gathered around Tortoise, congratulating him for his unexpected victory. Tortoise smiled, happy but humble. Rabbit, feeling embarrassed, approached Tortoise. "You have won fair and square," Rabbit admitted, realizing he had learned an important lesson.
Tortoise smiled at Rabbit and said, "Slow and steady wins the race, my friend." Rabbit nodded in agreement, realizing that his overconfidence and need for speed had cost him the race. The animals all celebrated together, happy to have seen such an unexpected outcome. The forest was buzzing with excitement, and all the animals learned something that day. Whether fast or slow, success comes to those who stay focused and persistent. Tortoise and Rabbit shook hands, now friends, and from that day on, Rabbit never underestimated the power of patience and hard work.